welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today, I will show you how to make chicken and cauliflower stir fry. This food I used to make a lot, and it is very sweet miso. It's called tenmenjang and a stir fry Chinese food. But this is very good. Used to be my one of favorite food. So I will show you how to make it today.
First, I'm gonna use half of the cauliflower. I want to cut all these sides. I cut bigger than this size before. I learned smaller one is easy to eat. Also, sauce cover the cauliflower better, which means tastes better. I use one chicken thigh and cut the same size as broccoli. Beaten egg, I'm gonna use this one third of them later. First, marinate meat. Now, I'm gonna make sauce. see a little bit brown spot on cauliflower, it's done. I didn't show you how I cut the scallion because I had frozen one. When I went to Whole Foods to buy one chicken thigh, the meat department man asked me, "Why you buying only one? What you gonna make it?" So I said, "I don't need lots of chicken and I'm buying this one for making YouTube video." I thought it was funny because Japanese food or maybe Chinese, we don't really use lots of meat like European people eat, like steaks or baked chicken. But Japanese cooking, we cook whole fish or the baked fish.
I hope you enjoy my video today, and I hope you will try to make this one at your home. This is very good with plain rice, and that was my favorite food, and I bet you will like it if you have it. If you like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.